Why don't you try to find all of them?
Oh my goodness.
This is mine. No, this is yours, Daddy, because it's a good Pokemon.
Do you think there's more?
Mm-hmm. Come on, we gotta go.
They're only in the front yard, I think. I think the Easter Bunny didn't want to get crazy.
I found one. I see one. Can we go around it?
I would just stay in the front yard.
I see one. Over here. Here, Wyatt. Wyatt, here. Thank you. I don't know what to do. And I only have two. I found one.
Wow, you guys stink. I'm not hiding anywhere.
Wyatt, why don't you look over here?
I want to go across the street.
No, they're only in the front yard, I think.
What?
They're only in the front yard.
What about in here, Wyatt?
Mommy, what is? I found one. Are they only in the front yard?
Yes.
Mommy,
Yeah.
we're only gonna stay in the front yard?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that's where the Easter Bunny came.
Just for us?
Yeah?
We can't go anywhere else. So we can't go anywhere except here? I'm gonna go look on the hill and stuff.
You can.
No, there's none on the
Hey,
hill. I can tell you right now.
What's that right there in the railing?
On the railing?
Not that railing.
Oh,
Oh, there might. Yeah, I went by the farm there.
come on, let's go look at the grass.
Wyatt, come here.
Still more over here.
I'm gonna go see the grass because
Wyatt.
deer hasn't said-
Wyatt, come here. Wyatt. Wyatt, come here. What's that right there? Look up. Look up. Look up. Look over. Wow, you guys.
Here you go, Wyatt. Thank you. Come on, guys.
Turn around.
Wyatt, what? Oh, Wyatt. Wyatt.
Why
You were the worst one.
Wyatt.
God, you were awful.
Wyatt.
You were so awful.
Wyatt, you can't look anything. Come on, let's go to the hill.
Okay, but there's none on the hill. I can tell you right now.